Medyo mahaba yung ating ebanghelyo na nagsasabi about forgiveness. No? God forgives maybe sabi natin, enormous debt of the servant because maybe he had no way of paying it. But he did not learn his lesson because in dealing with his fellow servant who just maybe owed him a small amount, much smaller amount, he was not able to forgive, no? And because of this, that he was punished because of his unforgiving action towards his fellow servant, no? No, parang familiar naman itong story sa atin, no? That sometimes, no, ganun din ang nangyayari siguro sa atin, no? Even with just kunting tapik lang siguro ng ating kasama, no? Baril na ang katapat, no? Kaya kutsilyo, o kaya mga harsh words, no, that we can utter, no, to our fellow men and women, no? Because medyo malupit, no, ang ating puso, no, and in so doing forgiveness is foreign, no, in our hearts, no, or in our selves, no. And Jesus into this gospel gives us the good news, no, that despite maybe the large amount of debt that we incur with God, no, He is able to forgive, no, to condone the mistake, and once again restore us to being righteous, no. So ang mga tao na hindi siguro makapagpatawad, they are not doing justice una sa kanilang sarili and with other people, and that includes God, no, who continues to forgive us. No? The gospel is telling us the good news that despite our own lack of unforgiveness, no, there is still God who shows us the way towards forgiveness, so that we will also forgive our brother from the heart, no. And with this, no, we are not doing injustice to other people, but we are doing to them, we are sharing to them the love of God, no. May author na nag-publish ng aming libro one time, no, na How to Forgive, no. And si John Monborquet, no. And sabi niya, if you want to be happy with at least a day, no, sabi niya, go and take revenge, no. Maghiganti ka sa mga tao na nakagawa sa iyo ng kasamaan, no. And with that, no, pag makita mo na may nakapag-revenge ka na, siguro masaya ka isang minuto o isang araw lang. But after that, no, it did not solve the problem, no, because you did not address the real situation in forgiving. Pero sabi niya, if you want to be happy eternally, no, walang limit, go ahead and forgive, no. So, pinapatatag lamang siguro ang ating kalooban sa ebanghelyo na to, that there is still good news because with the love of God, it is still possible para sa atin na makapagpatawad, makagawa ng justice, at higit sa lahat, magmahal sa ating kapwa-tao, no? Na walang bahid ng kung anumang remorse, kayang paghihiganti, no, sa ating mga isipan at sa ating dibdib, no? We follow the example of God, no? Continues to love us despite us not being able, no, to pay back. At for us, no, it is also good news na una sa lahat, may Diyos na nagpapatawad sa ating lahat at nagsasagawa ng paraan para sa atin upang hindi tayo magiging alipin sa kasalanan ng paghihiganti, so that we will be free, no, as His sons and daughters to give praise, to relate with one another na walang duplicity sa ating mga sarili, at higit sa lahat, no, na magandang ating relationship sa isa't isa, because love is still possible in our life, and love prospers, grows, no, in our own selves, no. So siguro kung tayo naman ay makapagpatawad, no, we are ang physical reward siguro nito sa atin is mababa ang ating hypertension, no? O kaya magiging healthy tayo. Tapos tataas daw ang ating self-esteem, no? Dahil we are free, no, from the worries, no? And nakakatulong tayo sa ating kapwa-tao. At higit sa lahat, we share to them the best part of ourselves, and that is we continue to share to them the love of God. So sa ating ebanghelyo naman na ito ngayon, no, ito ay panawagan pa rin para sa atin na ang Diyos ay sobra-sobra magmahal. And siguro yan ang ating panghahawakan so that we can continue to extend also our love to our brothers and sisters and condone the wrong, forgive the wrongs, no, that other people have done to us, and we continue to be sharers of the good news of God, no, to others. No? We put an end to the vicious cycle of our life na ang paghihiganti, no, that makes us different from other people of religion, no? Sa iba walang pagkakataon na makapagpatawad, no, because sabi nila, no, pag kung ano ang ginawa mo, no, yan din ang babalik sa iyo, no, igaganti sa iyo, no, and in that way, no, ang human heart talaga kung minsan kung napuno ng paghihiganti, napuno ng puot, kung mapupuno ng galit, no, sobra-sobra ang magagawa, no, and in that way we are being freed by Jesus, no, in our life, no, para makapagsilbi pa rin sa Kanya at patuloy na mag-relate sa ibang mga tao na nararapat at makadiyos, no, sa ating buhay, no. So forgiveness is actually, sinasabi nila na divine, but it is actually gawain ng mga Kristiyano, no. We are Christians to the max, no. When we forgive, we are able to forgive because it is actually sharing in the love and goodness of God in our life, no. Siyempre, may mga maganda na benefit ito sa atin, but what is important is we are God's presence to others who continues to love one another. Of course, hindi natin makakalimutan ang pain, hindi natin makakalimutan ang hurt, no? Hindi natin makalimutan na nagawan tayo ng hindi maganda, nakagawa ng kasalanan ng ating kapwa-tao. Hindi natin nakakalimutan yan. Pero we decide, no, in ourselves na we put an end to this vicious cycle sa ating buhay, na there is anger, there is revenge, and sometimes, we can be violent, and we continue to be God's presence to others by loving, by forgiving, and sabihin natin, tama na, hindi na natin dadagdagan pa ang mga hindi mga negative feelings o kaya mga kung ano mang paghinanakit, no, sa ating dibdib, kundi patuloy pa rin tayo na gagawa ng kabutihan sa ating kapwa-tao because that is what we are. There is love in our hearts, and because of that, na yan ang ating pipiliin na ipakita at gawin, no, sa ating buhay, no. Hindi tayo mga tao na violent, o kaya we don't choose to do harm to others at kunwari gagawa natin sila ng revenge, no. Ang i-dismiss natin yung kanilang pagkakasala, no, o kaya yung kanilang pagkatao, no, na buong baryo na lamang ay nakaalam, no, ng kanilang kasalanan. What is siguro ang nararapat na gawin, that maging mahinahon tayo, maging mapagmahal, no, at mapagkalinga pa rin sa ating kapwa-tao despite, no, what they have done to us, because the love of God continues to be given to us. Papatuloy pa rin yan na pinibigay sa atin kahit na tayo ay nagkakasala, at huwag nating tularan ang ibang mga tao na hindi makapagpapatawad. So gawin natin ang the positive thing is we have to be Christian to other people by our love and our concern, even to our enemies, even to those who have done wrong in our lives, because yan ang ang ginagawa ng Diyos sa atin. At because of that, we continue to be God's loving presence to others. No? Binibigay natin ang mercy at higit sa lahat, binibigay natin ang pagmumukha ng Diyos sa ating kapwa-tao. So today, it is an encouragement para sa atin, sa ating lahat, na magiging mapagmahal, magiging makadiyos, at higit sa lahat, concern pa rin sa ating kapwa-tao because that is our calling that we receive from God. Forgive, to be a Christian, at higit sa lahat, be a loving Christian towards others in this life. May God bless us all.